Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening from any region you're watching me. I'm happy you made it here today to my channel. Please, I say thank you. Last week we dropped on the 18th of June, we dropped an assignment, a program, a task on our blog. Some have replied us via via WhatsApp. Please, for you to win the prize attached to this programming task, you have to reply, you have to drop your comments, which will be your solution without it being on the blog or on the YouTube channel. You won't win, even if you get it. So you just have to visit our blog www.hamplustech.com. Then you see the Python programming tasks week 2. This is for week 2. Then and there you just have to click on read more. You see, after taking a lot of time to go through the list and some data type, we went through the integer data type, we went through the list data type, we went through the string data type. The videos are there. Once you visit the post, you will see what this blog is all about. So the tasks we have here, there are just three. The first one, you have the given list. You have to multiply the element in the list. Use take any integer. You can take 2, you can take 3, you can take 4. Multiply the elements, the items in the list using three methods. The first method you use is a for loop. The second method you use is list comprehension. The third method you use the map function. You use the map function. Then number two, you also have a given list that comprises of odd and even numbers. You have to sort the list in a way that all the odd numbers comes before the even number. All the odd numbers, then you have the even numbers sorted. You have to do it programmatically, not manually. And number three, you have two lists. First is a list comprises of integers and also lists, and the second list is a list comprises of just integers. You are to find the progressive sum of the list, the two lists. You are finding the progressive sum. Please, as I said earlier, you drop your comments, your solution as comments, either on the blog or on the YouTube channel. And don't forget to hail our Python tags and exercises. There is a prize attached to it. For you to win the prize, you have to do what you have on the blog. Please, thank you very much. For this week, we'll be looking at some key things in Python programming. First, the videos for this week will comprise of dictionary data type. We'll be going to the dictionary data type for this week. Then we will also make a video on the solution to the task we just showed you. We'll make a video to the solution. We'll solve it step by step and ensure that every viewer will get an understanding of that. Then we'll also try our possible best to look at the zip function. To look at the zip function, it works with iterable. Then we'll dive into the itertools. The itertools, that is iterable tools. The tools you can use to create iterable, you can manipulate iterable. They are itertools. It's a module actually in Python. It's a module which comprises of different classes. So we'll look into it. Please, we are available on most social media. We are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, we are also on Instagram, we are also on the LinkedIn. Please, you can follow us using any of our handle here at Hamplus Hub or at Hamplus Tech. Thank you. Please always try to subscribe to our blog and to our channel so that you will always be the first to get updates from us. Thank you. Have the best of this week. Bye bye.